Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to change your Facebook account password on both your mobile device and your PC. In today's digital age, it's more important than ever to have strong passwords and to change them regularly to protect your personal information. So whether you're using your phone or computer, we're going to walk you through the simple steps you need to take to change your Facebook password in just a few minutes.
Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us.
First, how to change Facebook password on mobile. Step 1. Open the Facebook app and go to Settings. First, you need to open your Facebook app and go to the Settings menu. You can access the Settings menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Tap Security and Login. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Security and Login option. Tap on it to go to the next screen. Step 3. Tap Change Password. On the Security and Login screen, you'll see an option to change your password. Tap on it to go to the next screen. Step 4. Enter a current and new password. Next, how to change Facebook password in PC. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Enter your login details, email address or phone number and password to access your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once you're logged in, locate the down arrow icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access a drop-down menu and select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. Step 3. Change your password. In the Settings menu, click on Security and Login from the left-hand side panel. Then, locate the Change Password option and click on it. You'll be asked to enter your current password, followed by your new password. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password that you haven't used before. Step 4. Save your changes. After you've entered your new password, click on the Save Changes button. Your password will be updated immediately, and you'll be asked to log in again with your new password. And there you have it. Changing your Facebook password is quick and easy whether using your mobile device or PC. Remember, it's always a good idea to update your passwords regularly and use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your accounts safe from cyber threats. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips in the future.